Former President Donald Trump vowing to appeal that $355 million court ruling against him. The judge's decision coming in Trump's civil fraud case in New York State. ABC's senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky is here now with more. Aaron, good morning.
Good morning, Whit. This decision is not going to ruin Donald Trump, but it could dramatically diminish his financial resources and undercut his carefully honed image of a successful businessman that carried them all the way to the White House.
This morning, Donald Trump owes a staggering penalty after a judge in New York found him liable for frauds that he said leap off the page and shock the conscience. Judge Arthur Engoron ordered Trump to pay $355 million plus interest and barred him from serving in the top role of any New York company, including his own, for 3 years. Trump verbally attacked the judge and said he would appeal.
A New York State judge just ruled, and he's crooked as you could get. And a lot of people expected something like this, but not for the amount.
The judge said a significant penalty was warranted. Otherwise, Trump, his eldest sons, and his company are likely to continue their fraudulent ways.
Because there cannot be different rules for different people in this country, and former presidents are no exception.
The judge found Trump and his company repeatedly issued false financial statements that inflated his net worth by as much as $2 billion and exaggerated the value of his properties so they could convince banks to provide low-interest loans. Trump valued his Fifth Avenue penthouse at $200 million by tripling its square footage, though he signed a document conceding the place is a third the size. And he said his Florida estate, Mar-a-Lago, was worth $600 million. Its appraised value, $27 million. The judge said Trump's complete lack of contrition and remorse borders on pathological and found him incapable of admitting the error of his ways.
The expansiveness, the amount, and the extent of this fraud is shocking, and that produced this shocking number.
The judge backed away from a prior decision that ordered Trump to dissolve some of his businesses, but he still imposed a monitor and a director of compliance. Otherwise, the judge said he feared the Trump organization would not operate without committing fraud. Effectively, the Trump organization needs a babysitter.
And that's what's happening here. And you also noted that Trump said he is going to appeal. But what could that mean for this massive financial penalty?
Yeah, he still needs to come up with the money. It's not like he just gets away with it while the appeal is pending. So either he can put all $355 million in escrow with the court or post some of it as a bond with some pretty hefty interest using either cash or some of his real estate properties as collateral.
All right, Aaron Katersky for us. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.